want to make a video about getting to the end in this mod pack I'm playing called Cave Factory. But first, let me make this place look cool, and then I'll bring you back.
This is my house. Entry, please. He is my neighbor, Nur Sultan Tuliakbay. He is paining my assholes. I get a window from a glass, he must get a window from a glass. I get a step, he must get a step. I get a clock radio, he cannot afford. Great success.
There is no stronghold in this mod pack, so there's no end portal. You have to craft your own. How do you do that? You need a lot of stuff. Let me show you. Here's the end portal frame. We need 12 of them, right, to make an end portal. But in order to craft that, you need eyes of enders, 12 of them, and then 12 more to fill them. But you need end stone. So without getting to the end, how do you get the end stone? You need an arc furnace from Immersive Engineering. And then you got to put sand in there. How do you get sand? You need create. Take cobblestone, pop it in here through the millstone, and you get gravel. That's not what we're after, Tube. I know. Take the gravel, pop it in here. It goes through the crushing wheels, and it turns it into sand. Take the sand, and now let's get into the immersive engineering part, which is kind of complicated, but not once you get it going. First thing you need for immersive is power. So I set up these 2 water wheels here to power my machines to get me to the arc furnace. So what do you need? Couple things. I got 2 farms going. One's growing industrial hemp fiber and the industrial hemp seeds, which the seeds get pushed into here, this industrial squeezer, which turns the seeds into plant oil. And then this farm is growing sugarcane. The sugarcane gets pumped into this industrial fermenter, and it turns the sugarcane into ethanol. So the ethanol and the plant oil get transferred over to here, a refinery. This refinery turns it into biodiesel. And then the biodiesel gets ported over to here, to this diesel generator. This thing is powering the arc furnace because you need something with a lot of power output to power the arc furnace. You can't power it off of water wheels, as far as I know. Here's your arc furnace. So in order to make this work, you need 3 graphite electrodes at the top here. Let me show you how you make them. You need a bunch of coal coke. Let's grab these, and we'll go back to coal coke, and you put it into a crusher. That crushes it down and turns it into coke dust. Take the coke dust, and you got to process this through a squeezer. Pop the coke dust in here, and it's going to turn it into HOP graphite dust. You need 4 of these pieces to smelt into graphite ingots. Take the ingots over to your engineer's workbench, and then you need an engineer's blueprint for arc furnace electrodes. How did I get that? You gotta have a machinist villager, which in this pack, you put a villager in front of an anvil, he turns into a machinist, and once you level him all the way up, you get the engineer's blueprint for arc furnace electrodes. So to make 1 electrode, you need 4 graphite. Boom, you get the electrode. Now you need 3 of these to power the arc furnace. Let me show you how the arc furnace works. And then we can get to making the end portals. Pop your sand in here. It makes a bunch of noise. And you end up with end stone. Now the eyes of Ender, I don't think I need to explain. Let me just put this together and I'll show you how you build the portal. Take your portal frames, right? Put this block down here so I got something to stand on. And as long as you stand in the center, and all of these are facing towards the center, load it up with the eye ender. And I gotta go gear up. I got a dragon to kill. Thanks for checking out the video, y'all. Have fun, and peace!